Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create like a checklist or a to-do list. For instance, you're going to the supermarket, to the grocery store, that's what I meant. And you're going to type in basically like the list of things you want to buy, what to buy for instance. And like you want like a checklist on your Google Docs. So I'm just going to select enter and I'm going to make it smaller. And then I'm just going to basically select the checklist here. You can either do this one or this one. I'm going to just choose this one. And then you're just going to type in what you need to buy essentially, or whatever it is that you want to type. Eggs, milk, bread, chicken, soup, beans, cereal, waffles, something like that. Can I not type? Syrup, peanut butter, jam, etc., etc. And when you open Google Docs again, like when you're buying it, you can click it here and it will get like crossed as well. That means like you bought the items, so you won't forget. It's great for if you want to plan something as well, like if you want to go somewhere and you'll need a list of like what items you should bring. I usually use Google Docs for it. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!